Katrina Kaif is undoubtedly one of Bollywood's fittest actresses, not only because she has a super toned body, but she's extremely disciplined in her fitness regime. She works out for 3 to 4 hours 6 times in a week. Hi guys, let's talk about follow the 5 exercises to decode the secrets of Katrina Kaif's unique training program. Katrina Kaif's workout routine combines strength, flexibility and functionality. Try them all consistently for noticeable results that will not only make you look great but feel great too. Katrina Kaif likes to get in a morning workout to start off her day in the best possible manner. Morning workouts jumpstart your activity for the whole day, and you are likely to feel more energized, focused and productive in the day. Talking about workout routines, Katrina's workout routine includes plank. How to do it? Lie on the floor with your forearms and toes on the ground. Keep your body straight and hold this position for 30 seconds. Ensure your back isn't crouching and repeat after 30-second intervals at least 3 times. Moving on to the next workout, which is front and back lunges. How to do it? Start with your legs together. Take a large step forward with your right leg and bend both knees. The feet should be about 3 feet wide. Take a step back with the same leg and lunge again. Do 3 sets, repeat 15 times and switch over to the other side. Make sure your back is always straight. The next exercise is quad jumps. How to do this one? Well, stand with your feet shoulder width apart and the toes pointing slightly outward. Bend your knees, pressing your hips back as if you were going to sit back on a chair. Pushing through the heels, jump straight up. Land with your knees slightly bent and go back into the squat position. Repeat until the set is complete. That brings us to the next one, which is curtsy lunge and side kick. Stand with your feet hip width apart. Take a big step back with your right leg, crossing it behind the left and lunge. As you stand up, kick your right leg out to the side and up. Repeat for the duration of the set and then switch sides. Next one is mountain climbers. Assume a push-up position. Start by bending and bringing your right knee to your chest while keeping the left leg straight. Keep switching legs to complete the routine. Do 3 sets of 15 reps daily. The Katrina Kaif workout is one of the most effective ways to activate your entire body. It is ideal even for beginners who want to start with a simple routine and progress with time. The important thing to remember is that you can only see a marked difference if you stay committed to your training. You will notice that you get better physically and mentally with time. Disclaimer: always consult a medical practitioner before trying this at home to know what is right for you. Please share your thoughts and let us know which one is your favorite exercise from Katrina Kaif's workout. And don't forget to watch this space for more such content.